My mom and I have lost 260 pounds combined with no loose skin. And in this video, we're going to tell you the foods you should eat to boost your body's natural collagen.
Because you might think that buying those expensive powders, which we've bought in the past, will do the trick, but in fact, you need to set your body up to make its own collagen. And there are some tips, tricks, and secrets that we have that we're going to share with you in this video. But listen, don't forget, we also created an ultimate skincare guide that you can have for free. Even better, we created the Tight Club. We'll tell you more about that at the end of the video.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
There are certain types of foods and food groups that you can start eating today to boost your body's natural collagen. So some fruits and vegetables. Some fruits are oranges, guavas, papayas, kiwis, and strawberries. And there's a few more in that list too.
Well, when you think about a guava and the flesh of a guava, it really reminds you of healthy, vibrant skin.
You said the same thing to me the other day about oranges.
Yeah, and papayas.
And grapefruits.
Yeah, and you know, believe it or not, these foods, don't believe me, look it up yourself, are rich in vitamin C. And vitamin C is one of the building blocks that your body uses to build collagen. And collagen and elastin create really glowing, lifted, beautiful, tight skin. So that's one secret you can take with you. Now, we're not suggesting that you eat fruit all day, every day, because that wouldn't be good either. But we do suggest eating fruit that's ripe, in season, and organic, where and when you can find it. And believe it or not all year round can you find these foods, but we definitely recommend eating an abundance of color and eating an abundance of variety because your body benefits in so many ways. Another thing you can do to build your collagen naturally is not to buy those expensive powders or creams that make empty promises, but you can also eat foods that have amino acids. Now, I'm not going to get too deep into this because I actually want to do a whole expose with a friend of ours who's vegan on what protein actually is and how you can build it naturally. Believe it or not, you are a protein making machine, but you need some outside food to complete the protein building blocks that you create all day, every day in your own body. Isn't that amazing? I think our human bodies are so amazing. The more I learn about it, the more I want to learn about it because my mind is blown. And you should learn about it too, because if you can get back in the kitchen and start using whole foods to promote collagen and tight skin, if you're depending on the restaurants and fast food and the grocery store fast food prepared foods, I'm here to tell you honestly and lovingly, that's just not going to work. It really isn't. In fact, even the healthiest, most expensive store in the area where I live doesn't even use clean ingredients. It's just not beneficial for their bottom line, meaning their profits. So what are these foods? These are in the animal kingdom. These are foods like salmon and mackerel and sardines. These are really good.
You guys, we just made sardine cakes, so go check out our Substack. They were amazing and they were gone in like an hour.
Oh my gosh, everyone couldn't stop eating that. And they're like, what kind of fish is this? I'm like, sardines. Like, sardines? Really? This is so good. And they're really easy to make too. There are only like 3 ingredients.
3 ingredients, you guys, and you can find them
4,
anywhere.
And they're also inexpensive. The top animal food that helps to build collagen are eggs, actually, because it's one of the most biologically available proteins in the world outside of mother's milk.
I make so many recipes with eggs, baked recipes, whole food recipes.
But I'm here to say that I don't eat eggs. And I haven't eaten eggs in a very, very long time.
So what do you eat?
And it's not because I think I'm better than anyone else or that I think you shouldn't eat eggs. I just have like this weird ick thing with eggs right now. So I'm just saying that because I don't want to be like, oh, I know better and I'm better, because that's not true at all.
This is a pro-egg household. We eat cartons of eggs a week.
And in fact, like everyone loves eggs so much they want to get chickens, but we have a lot of coyotes and that doesn't work out well. And hawks and eagles.
The truth is Mom travels a lot and won't be here to take care of them enough. That's the truth.
I don't know if I agree.
I agree.
Because you're here all the time. We can share. Don't you think it'd be like exciting to like go out and collect eggs every day?
Of course. But I'm also not here 24/7, so.
The plant-based ways you can complement the amino acids that your body is already making are in hemp seeds, for example, buckwheat, believe it or not. And there's a number of things. But it does make sense because I eat a lot of pumpkin seeds. I eat a lot of buckwheat. So these are great things for you to know. And you can
sea moss.
You know, I wrote a blog post probably almost 20 years ago.
Posted on Substack.
About sea moss. And in fact, it was the most read article I ever wrote.
You got to post that on Substack.
And now it's trending. It's called Irish Moss, and it's trending. People are loving it. You can make it yourself at home very inexpensively, and it's really amazing. You can put it on your skin, you can eat it, but that's like a whole nother category of why. Like, why does that help build connective tissue? How does it help you to actually detox from radiation, and how it's rich in minerals?
Your information deserves the eyes of people who really care.
Well, in fact, for a one-time fee, you can join the Tight Club and get all of our videos on no loose skin, how to build collagen naturally, and us. So the community is really valuable. Definitely click the link in the description to get into the Tight Club while it's still available, and or decide to leave sugar off the table forever and join our 7-day free, our gift to you, this holiday season, 7-day sugar detox and gut reset. It will be life-changing. And if you really want to dive in, because you're like, I like these girls, they are honest, they are real, and they promote things that aren't expensive and fancy, and I want to get off my injection, or I'm not comfortable with that injection, we got you. 30-day challenge, 8 to 10 pounds. That's GLP-1 level, folks. Join us. It's affordable. But are you ready? Do you have the courage? Are you ready to reclaim your beauty and your vitality and your birthright of health? We think you are.
So if you guys loved this video, don't forget to give us a heart. Don't forget to share this with someone that you love. Don't forget to subscribe, because it supports our channel growing and getting shown to so many other women. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias down below, X, Instagram, and TikTok. We'll see you all the time.